Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says half the seats in private medical colleges will be charged at par with government medical colleges. HSSLC examination under NBSE to commence tomorrow. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio extends best wishes to all the students. Nagaland School Education launches SaiSure Multinutrients Health Mix for school children. And government launches Donate a Pension program. As we start the bulletin, we appeal our listeners to stay safe from COVID-19 by following these 4 simple steps. Get fully vaccinated, wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said government has decided that half the seats in private medical colleges will be charged at par with government medical colleges. He said this will benefit poor and middle-class children. The Prime Minister was interacting with Jan Aushadhi Kendra owners and beneficiaries of the scheme today via video conferencing. He said centre has also controlled the price of more than 800 medicines required for the treatment of diseases like cancer, tuberculosis, diabetes and heart disease. Prime Minister Modi said the government has also ensured that the cost of stunting and knee implants is also kept under control. Higher Secondary School Living Certificate Examination HSSLC 2022 under NBSE will commence tomorrow till 31st of March. A total of 17,117 candidates will appear for the HSSLC examinations. 13,811 students are enrolled in arts, 1,157 students in commerce stream, and 2,149 are enrolled in science stream. Out of 17,117 candidates, 7,860 are boys and 9,257 are girls. They will appear exams in 88 provisional centres across the districts and subdivisions, while high school living certificate exam will begin from 9th of March. 30,327 candidates will be appearing the examination from 135 provisional examination centres and 4 sub-centres. 1,391 candidates will also be appearing for the HSLC Compartmental Examination 2022 from 35 examination centres. The Class 11 Promotion Examination 2021 will also start from 1st April to 23rd April 2022. NBSE has appealed to all the candidates to wear masks, observe social distancing norms, and avoid contact with unknown persons to protect themselves. The board also made an earnest appeal to the parents and guardians to guide their wards on the important guidelines or SOPs. The NBSE further conveyed its best wishes to all the candidates appearing for the examinations. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio has extended best wishes to all the students in Nagaland who will be sitting for HSLC and HSSLC examinations under NBSE. Wishing the 47,426 students appearing for the exams, Rio in a tweet encouraged the students to study hard, remain focused, confident and give their best. Chief Minister Rio wished them good health and expressed hope that the students will excel in their exams. Nagaland School Education has launched the SaiSure Multinutrients Health Mix for school children under corporate social responsibility through Sri Satya Annapurna Trust today at Government Middle School, Bayavar Hill, Kohima. Speaking at a program, Principal Director, School Education, Shanavas C. said the department will take this initiative as a pilot project in Kohima, Kifere and Peg, covering 2,624 students for 3 months. Shanavas expressed hope that this project will benefit the students and will be able to take forward the project to other parts of the state. National Manager of Sri Satya Sai Annapurna Trust, Alat Santosh said the trust, which was established in 2015, provides nutritious and daily breakfast to needy school-going children, and Nagaland is the 21st state to have introduced the program. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on News on Air app and YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. The government today launched Donate a Pension program. It is an initiative under the Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Manthan PMSYM pension scheme, where citizens can donate a premium contribution of their immediate support staff, including domestic workers, drivers and helpers. Launching the scheme in New Delhi, Labour and Employment Minister Bhupender Yadav said, under the program, workers in the unorganized sector within the age group of 18 to 40 years can register themselves and deposit a minimum of 660 to 2,400 rupees every year, depending on their age. After they attain 60 years, they will receive the minimum assured pension of 3,000 rupees per month. He urged trade unions to get workers engaged in their offices registered in PMSYM. The program was launched as part of many initiatives by the Labour Ministry to be launched in the iconic week being celebrated from 7 to 13 of this month. The minister also launched e-Shram on the Umang app. Commemorating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the Department of Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Kohima, under the initiative of Ministry of Labour and Employment, began its week-long celebration of the iconic week today at the office premise of the Directorate of Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Kohima. Commissioner and Secretary Labour and Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, R. Asenla Gitsar, in her inaugural speech said that India celebrates Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to remind us of the great Indian journey of independence and progress towards prosperity. Stating that Nagaland is a young state and yet to achieve many milestones in every aspect, she said it is the youth of today to make a progress and develop the state. She said the world is at one's fingertips and the opportunities to learn new skills, languages, subjects and networking are endless. The key events for the week include career conference, job placement drive, pre-recruitment training and virtual career talk. India's public broadcaster Prasar Bharati has signed a memorandum of understanding with Yup TV, an over-the-top OTT platform which is a gateway for television viewers across the globe. With this, DT India is now available on OTT platform of Yup TV in USA, UK, Europe, Middle East, Singapore, Australia and New Zealand. Through Yup TV, one can watch live TV anytime, anywhere in the world. It is aimed at expanding the global reach of DT India channel to put forth India's perspective on various international developments on global platforms and to showcase the country's culture and values to the world. The content hosting agreement was signed by Prasar Bharati CEO Shashi Shekhar Vempati and Yup TV founder and CEO Uday Reddy. In Manipur, ECI has decided to conduct re-poll at 6 polling stations of 4 scheduled tribe assembly constituencies tomorrow. The 4 assembly constituencies are Okrul, Chingai, Karong and Datupi. These assembly constituencies witnessed polling on March 5 at the final phase elections of the state. However, the election officials, after examining aspect of polling process at the said polling stations, decided to conduct re-poll tomorrow. The polling timing will be 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Nagaland today registered 10 new positive cases of COVID-19, of which 5 were reported from Dimapur, 2 each from Kohima and Mukokchung, and 1 from Kifure. On the other hand, 5 infected persons have recovered from the disease. 3 recovered cases were from Dimapur and 1 each from Kohima and Woka. With the total confirmed cases of 35,430 and 33,129 recovered cases, the state has now 62 active COVID-19 cases. And now 20 news, here are the main points again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says half the seats in private medical colleges will be charged at par with government medical colleges. HSSLC Examination under NBSE to commence tomorrow. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio extends best wishes to all the students. Nagaland School Education launches SaiSure Multinutrients Health Mix for school children. And government launches Donate a Pension program. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.